I used to take myself out on dates. Open my own damn.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Cindy. On my today's video, I'm excited. I'm doing an unboxing video. I'm super excited to doing this video. I've wanted to do this video for such a long time. Okay, so first things first, which I'm going to show you guys. I'm so excited. The Nike. Doesn't want to focus. Okay, so these are the Air Force Ones. Of course they are. I want to know their actual name. Oh, it's Air Force 1 GS or is it 1? I don't know how to. So guys, these are the babies. Oh my gosh, these are like the most beautiful shoes ever. Like I'm sorry, but these are like the most beautiful shoes ever. And the details on this shoe, okay, it has like this extra stitch and also Air Force 1 feet. These are like, okay guys, they have like sparkling. I'm sure you guys can see glitter here. You can see them when you're in the sun, and they're like the most beautiful shoes ever. I'm a size 6, so I was worried that I was not gonna get a size, because you know, I feel like everybody's like a size 6 because you can't find shoes when you're trying to, like, especially Air Force Ones, the plain white ones. Oh, my song. Stress mental, so I could sing the leg. You know, 2 sitting in the highway, cruising lane to lane. I popped by Mr. Price there, you know what? And I got some few things, like 3 things, but I want to share with you all guys. So I was like, I'm gonna share it before. Let's save the best for last. You know what I mean? I'm super excited for my unboxing. There it is. Okay, so first things first, I went by that Price's house and I got this pair of, okay, I was fitting them. I got this brown pair of pins. I don't know if I'm gonna try them on, but we'll see about that. I got this pair of pins. I don't even know how much they were because they only had a barcode in them. Oh, they were $2.13. $2.13. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. You could see how they snatch my wares. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. And I got these in size 34. Hopefully I don't have it. And the second item which I got in Mr. Price. Okay, I'm obsessed with this color, guys, with pink, all shades of pink. That's my thing, you guys. And then I got this cropped jacket. Oh my gosh, please don't tell me it's not the most beautiful thing you've ever seen. Oh my gosh, so soft. And it is so soft. Oh, my battery is dying. And how much was it? It was like $2.32. Huh? Oh, $2.29. $2.30. And the second item which I got, and the second item or third item which I got is this. I thought this jersey and my cargo pants will be such a fit because it's so cute. I think I look cute rocking them, so it's like, let's make an outfit. And how much was this? Oh, it was $180. You see, the prices are not bad. The prices are not bad. Now on to the exciting part. Go grab some water, go grab some drinks. I'm kidding, guys. Okay, so this, okay, I need to move these things off the table for you. Okay, so Takealot. Okay, I've tried opening this before and the first things first, which I got this keyboard because my buttons from my laptop are not working. So I was like, let me get this. I thought it was small because some of the reviews on there, was on the app, was saying it is so small and compatible, and it's not. But we're not complaining. We're not complaining because I'm gonna tie away now. Tie. I'm so excited about that. I can't wait to like use it. Ooh, how much was that? I think this was like 150 or something. It was not that expensive. And I also got some, what's this called? It's a mouse. And how much was it? It was like one something. Don't get right. Did not get a receipt, but it was also not that expensive. It's a black mouse, you know. I want to look cute while typing or shit like. Whoa. And last but not least, oh my gosh guys, I'm so excited for this. Okay. Yeah, child. And earbuds. I'm super excited. Okay guys, you see, I haven't even opened them. I was waiting for this moment to do it with you guys. And it says auto power on, auto pairing, touch using Siri, open the lip and connect automatically. Just saying. Ooh, and how much was this? I think this was 202 rand somewhere there. It was also not that expensive. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Guys, oh my gosh, as I was just about to try on my earpods, my battery died, so I was like, you know what, I'll stop. I want to experience this moment with you guys. What does this thing say? Oh, Bluetooth. Okay. Because I had them saying Siri. I think I uninstalled my Siri device. Oh my gosh, who's that? Nobody. Home alone, bitches. I've been wanting to feel. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Yes. On. Connecting. Oh my gosh. What song am I going to play first? Hi guys. It's a few days later. The earpods which came with the first order were not working, so I returned them and they brought back another one. So this is all happening. We're opening it. Okay, I hope these ones work because like maybe I'm so not in the mood to play this game but Takealot, and I'm expecting another delivery. I don't know why they just think I demanding someone because it's coming on Friday, the other delivery, and this one came Friday. Okay, my battery's about to die. Same as shit. I hope they work this time around. Yes, I know guys, I look ugly, I look black, but who cares? I'm at home and I wasn't expecting to follow me, but I was like, let me do it. This is my channel. I'm not gonna post what I want when I want to. Oh my gosh, this knife is so tiny and good and portable. Girls with earpods. They're still the same, so